Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the small brown egg and Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Muffin Bake Off update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. There is a new event in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox, and the event is called this Muffin Bake Off. And we need this small brown egg to make a muffin, guys. When you go to the oven, you'll see recipe here. Okay, we need the small brown egg to make the carrot muffin. And to get the small brown egg, first you're going to purchase chicken from the baker. You're going to buy the ingredients here and you're going to purchase the chicken. The chicken is cost the chicken cost three k maple leaves, and then once you purchase the chicken, you're going to place it in your garden, and this is the chicken ability. It can pack around your garden and lay a small brown egg about every 5 minutes. Okay, and this is the small brown egg, and I'm going to collect it. And it will be added to your inventory. Then you can use it to make a muffin. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get the small brown egg and Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Muffin Bake Off update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.